Hey all, now I'm running my last assignment code, PlanetAnalysis. So you can see the distance between the Earth and the mass. So let's go quickly into the questions asked. So what is the distance between Earth and the mass on day 73? So you can see the distance between the Earth and the mass is 6.53 million miles, which has completed the orbit in the 45 extra days, and plugging these through as a position made by like a gap gives the about 6.54 million miles. I confirm this as my printing the result as the decimal places, and just okay. The next question asked, how do you position your distance functions works? So show the trigonometry. So the distance function works as an the position made by the day count of the angle around the circle and divided by the planet year's length. So multiplying by 2 pi, it just shows that it uses the cosine of the angle and also moves the perfect circle. The distance functions itself is the position calculates the two planets. So the difference of these functions is now calculated, and the x and y values are different in their positions, and the computers as a square root of the sum of the square difference. So we relied on the sine and the square roots of the calculation. So next question, briefly explain how do you generate the 1000-day time series and their and their averages if there is a periodic pattern visible. So here it is. I can show you. I ran a loop of 0 to 99 days of for the 1000-day values, whereas the recorded Earth's distance in the Mercury, Venus, and Mars. So they draw the horizontal line showing results in the plot showing a clear repeating waves. Such each planet returns to the similar alignment orbit. When I add the zero mean noise, the increase in the standard deviation, the daily curves become fuzzier and has a average zero. So there you then the average zeros are also calculated, and it cancels out the many days and does not change which planet is closest on the Earth. On average. And how do you next question, how do you form an 8 by 8 matrix to fill out the average of 1000 minus simulations, which planet is the closest to Earth of the average of stimulation? So I created an empty 8 by 8 array. So this empty 8 by 8 array is helpful for the creating it is an it collects the distance and also averages the distance results in the corresponding row and column. So this matrix is the systemic matrix 0. It's just diagonal, and also in terms of Venus again emerges to the planet close to Earth. Thank you.